Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and chances are you've heard of a little place called Netflix. Netflix is probably, if not the biggest movie and TV streaming service out there. And there's so many Netflix originals or just shows that you watch on TV that you can just sit down and binge the entire thing. So today we are going to be making a Netflix inspired treat. They're actually going to be Raspberry Popsicles. So it's kind of like Netflix and chill. Popsicles, of course. I don't know what you're thinking. The ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 cups of frozen raspberries, 1 cup raspberry yogurt, 3/4 cup whole milk, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some dark red food coloring. The first thing we want to do is to combine basically all of our ingredients into a blender. We're going to combine our raspberries, raspberry yogurt, and milk to the blender and blend until smooth and creamy. After you've blended all your raspberries, now we can add in our lemon juice and a few drops of red food coloring to enhance the color. Once you've blended together all of your components for your popsicles, now we can start to pour them into our mold. You can use whatever mold you'd like, however this recipe makes about 10 popsicles. We've filled all of our molds, but before we can pop them into the freezer, we need to add on the popsicle sticks so you can hold it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Insert the stick about 3/4 of the way into your popsicle. Once your popsicles have sticks, now we can pop them into the freezer to chill for up to 3 hours. It's kind of a long time. I took our popsicles out of the oven. No, I did not. They do not belong there. I took our popsicles out of the freezer and I ran them through some warm water to help the demolding process begin. I've already got one right here, but now we want to start to customize these or really just make them look like the Netflix logo. I'm just going for that big N. To help me make that big N, I made a template. Shocker. And I piped on some white chocolate on a sheet of wax paper right over that template. Now we can start to attach these to our popsicles. To do this, we're going to take one popsicle, place it on a sheet lined with some wax paper, and then carefully press on the end. We've added on our white chocolate ends to our popsicles, but there's one problem. The white chocolate doesn't like to stick to water directly, so we actually need to chill these again. I know there's a lot of Netflix and chilling in this video. We're going to pop these back into the freezer for another ½ hour to ensure that the chocolate doesn't slide off your popsicle. And here we have them, our Netflix-inspired red raspberry popsicles that we made today. These are a perfect summer treat. You could also use strawberries if you'd like, but raspberries just happen to be my favorite. They're very refreshing, and you also get that smoothness of the chocolate from the end, the Netflix end, that we added on top. Also, the good thing about these is you have to let them chill for 3 hours, so you could totally binge your favorite Netflix show while you wait. And by the time you're done with Stranger Things Season 1, you'll have popsicles. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Netflix, raspberries, anything you saw in this video. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.